Dear students, in the last class we discussed Z transform and ROC for the right-sided, left-sided and both-sided sequences. Both side sequences. Now in the right side means 0 to infinity, that is called U of n sequence. Left sided means minus infinity to minus 1, that is minus U of minus n minus 1. And both sided means U of n and U of minus n minus 1. Both sequences are exist. Now here, in this case, we are discussing like infinite sequences. U of n, when U of n is present, that is called, it will exist from 0 to infinity. That is nothing but it is infinite series, or we can say infinite sequence. Now we will see for finite sequence. Finite sequence, what is the Z transform and its ROC? Just this is very simple. Now let me take x of n. X of n is equals to some random numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8. Let me take 4 numbers, like for sequence. Here, if they are not indicating that arrow mark, this is 0th sequence. This is first one. N values I'm writing here. N values are 0, 1, 2, 3. Because if they are not given that arrow mark, so we need to consider here is the arrow mark. If they are not given, so this is the n equal to 0, n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3. Now, what is the Fourier I'm sorry, what is the Z transform for the given sequence? Now, you just write that what is x of z? X of z is equal to summation minus infinity to infinity. What is that? N equal to summation n equal to minus infinity to infinity x of n z power minus n. So now what is the n values? 0, 1, 2, 3. Only 3 values are there. So now x of z is equals to summation n equal to 0 to 3, because as per the given sequence I am writing here. Previously, that is u of n and u of minus n minus 1. That is infinite series. But here they given a finite duration signal like n values from 0 to 3. That's what here n equal to 0 to 3 x of n z power minus n. Now summation means addition of all. X of 0 z power 0 plus x of 1 z power minus 1 plus x of 2 z power minus 2 plus x of 3 z power minus 3. Now n values 0, 1, 2, 3 means these are the x of 1. What is x of 1? For x of 0, x of 0 is 2, x of 1 is 4, x of 2 is 6, x of 3 is 8. You write it here. What you will get? X of 0 is 2 into z power 0 is 1 plus 4 into z inverse plus 6 into z power minus 2 plus 8 into z power minus 3. So I can write 2 plus 4 by z plus 6 by z square plus 8 by z cube. Now I need to find what is the ROC for the given sequence. What is the ROC? Here, if you look at here, what is in my ROC? X of z should be finite, it should not be finite. But here, what is the, if I put z value is 0, what will happen? 1 by 0 will become infinity. That means we need to avoid z equal to 0. We need to avoid z equal to 0. If z equal to 0, what will happen? X of z will become, if z equal to 0, x of z will become infinity. That's why we need to avoid z equal to 0. So What is your ROC? ROC should not include 0. Any other value greater than 0. This is very, very important. Because the right-sided sequence, for the right-sided sequence, your ROC will become mod z greater than 0. This is finite duration. Right side sequence mod z is greater than 0. Now, so same thing I will consider here. X of n is equals to. So let me take 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now, here they given the arrow mark. You see here, there is a right side. Okay, let me take arrow mark at this end. Here I will take the arrow mark. Next one I will solve that one. Now, you see here, whenever arrow mark is given, what is the n values? This is 0, this is -1, this is -2, this is -3, and this is -4. -4, -3, -2, -1, sorry, 0. So what is x of -4? X of -4 is 1. X of -3 is 3. X of -2 is 5. X of -1 is 7. X of 0 is 9. First you need to write the sequence. Now, what is x of z? X of z is equal to summation n equal to -infinity to infinity x of n z power -n. Now, what is the n values? From -4 to 0. Now, summation n equal to -4 to 0 x of n z power -n. Now, you substitute each n value -4, -3, -2, -1, 0. So because it is a summation, right? X of -4, n value I'm substituting -4, z power minus of -4 will become +4, plus x of -3 z cube, plus x of -2 z square, plus x of -1 z, plus x of 0 z power 0 is 1. Now what is x of -4? 1 into z power 4. What is x of -3? 3 into z cube. Plus what is x of -2? 5 into z square. Plus what is x of -1? 7 into z. Plus x of 0 is 9. In z power 0 is 1. So now I want to make it x of z to be finite. So what value we need to avoid? If z tends to infinity, what will happen? Infinity plus infinity plus infinity. So your x of z will become infinity. So we need to avoid this. Avoid z tends to infinity. So what is your ROC will become? ROC will become mod z should be less than infinity. It should not be equal to infinity. So this is the ROC if the left-sided sequence, left-sided finite duration sequence. In the previous problem, right-sided finite duration sequence, what is the ROC? Mod z is greater than 0. Now, say similar problem I will consider here. X of n is equals to 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me write this. So now here is the indexing value. So what is in my indexing? N values they are given. This is the 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is -1. This is -2. And this is minus n values. Now, what is x of 0 as per that? 6. You write accordingly what are the values given. X of -3. What is x of -3 is 1. X of -2 is 3. X of -1 is 5. X of 0 is 6. X of 1 is 7. X of 2 is 8. Now, what is x of z? Summation n equal to -infinity to infinity x of n z power -n. So now, what are the n values given? -3 to 2 given. Summation n equal to -3 to 2 x of n z power minus n. You substitute each value. X of minus 3 z cube plus, because n value minus 3 if you put, already minus is there, minus into minus plus z cube. X of minus 2 z square, x of minus 1 z, x of 0 z power 0 is 1, z power 0 plus x of 1, 1 you substitute z power minus 1, x of 2 z power minus 2. Now you substitute the values. X of minus 3 is 1 into z cube plus x of minus 2 is 3 into z square plus what is x of minus 1? 5 into z plus x of 0 is 6 into z power 0 is 1 plus what is x of n? 7 into z inverse is by z plus x of 2 is 8 by z square, is z. Now here, if I put 0, this will become infinity. This will put infinity, it will become infinity. That's why your ROC should be 0 less than z mod z less than infinity. It should be in between the 0 to infinity. You need to understand this one. Now this is the previous VTU question given. Let x of n is equals to 1 by 2 whole power n into u of n minus u of n minus 4. So this is the question given. Now if you observe this one, what is the mistake we will do? 1 by 2 whole power n u of n minus u of n minus 4 given. What is the common mistake we will do? 1 by 2 whole power n u of n minus 1 by 2 whole power n u of n minus 4. So like this we will split. So if you are doing this one, this is wrong. It will get wrong. So now you need to carefully, you need to understand the question. This is given in the previous VTU question paper, you refer that. Now u of n and u of n minus 4 and minus given. That means, so it is a finite duration signal. How I will tell that? So there is a signal u of n means from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to infinity. What is u of n minus 4? From 4 onwards, it will become up to infinity. Now you subtract from this one to this one, what we will get? At 0 we will get, at 1, at 2, at 3. What is the fourth value here? Fourth value here is 1, here also 1, it will become 0. So this entire thing will get vanish. So now how much we will get here? This u of n minus u of n minus 4 will become 1, and what is the limit it will become? It will become 0 to 3. 0 to 3. So now what is your x of z? X of z is equals to summation n equal to minus infinity to infinity x of n z power minus n. Summation n equal to minus infinity to infinity. What is x of n? 1 by 2 whole power n into u of n minus u of n minus 4 into z power minus n. Summation n equal to, here you need to be careful, u of n minus u of n minus 4. So what are the values we will get? 0 to 3. So summation n equal to 0 to 3, 1 by 2 whole power n z power minus n. So it is a finite duration signal. This is not infinite duration. We need to be very careful while solving this one. So now you substitute n equal to 0, 1 by 2 whole power 0 into z power minus 0 plus n equal to 1, because n is varying from 0 to 3. 0, 1, 2, 3 we need to take. So 1 by 2 whole power 1 z power minus 1. 1 by 2 whole square z power minus 2. 1 by 2 whole cube z power minus 3. Now you simplify this, anything power 0 is 1 plus 1 by 2 into z, 1 by 2z plus 1 by 4z square plus 1 by 8z cube. So this is the x of z. So for what value this will become infinity? If z equal to 0, this x of z will become infinite because 1 by z is given. So z mod z, it should be greater than 0. This is the ROC. Mod z should be greater than 0 because it is a finite duration, finite duration, right-sided sequence. Right-sided sequence. That's why this is ROC is greater than 0. You need to be very careful. This is one important problem. Now, one more problem. Let me take x of n is equals to a to the power of modulus of n. What is this modulus? Is nothing but modulus is nothing but n for n greater than or equal to 0 minus n for n less than 0. So now I can write mod n is equals to n for n greater than 0 means 0 less than 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. N greater than or equal to 0 means 0 to infinity. So now what is this n less than 0 means? N less than 0 means what we will get? Minus infinity to minus 1. Minus infinity to minus 1. So this will become n less than infinity. So here it is minus. Sorry, less than or equal to minus. Now I can write this one as modulus of n is equals to n into n is greater than means u of n. Can write n into u of n, and modulus of n is nothing but for right-sided sequence this will be u of n. For left-sided means u of minus n minus 1. So now I can write this one. This is also previous VTU question. So a power n into u of n plus a power minus n. This is we need to understand. A power minus n u of minus n minus 1. A power n u of n plus 1 by a whole power n. A power minus n is there. So I will write 1 by a whole power n into u of minus n minus 1. So now what is the standard Z transforms? A power n u of n Z transform is z by z minus a, where mod z is greater than a. So now I will write it here. Apply Z transform. X of n Z transform is x of z is equals to what is a power n u of n? Z by z minus a plus what is a power n u of minus n minus 1. What is the Z transform? Z by minus z by z minus a, where mod z is less than a. Here what is that we got? 1 by a whole power n. Whatever is there, 1 by a whole power n u of minus n minus 1. Z transform will become minus z by z minus 1 by a, mod z is less than 1 by a. So now I will write it here, minus z by z minus 1 by a. So now I can write it as z by z minus a minus z by z minus 1 by a. So now what is the ROC here? ROC is z by z minus a is nothing but mod z is greater than a intersection mod z is less than 1 by a. Mod z is greater than a, mod z is less than 1 by a. This is also one important VTU question. You can refer that. So in the next class, we will discuss the properties of the Z transform. So that is also very, very important and very easy properties. You follow the video for understanding the concept. Thank you.